Everybody, Keith Best here. So in this video, I'm going to go through and explain a bit more about how I can search from sitting at home in Wakefield, but I can get better search results by using a little Chrome extension, which will allow me to search in America or anywhere else in the world. I'm not sure if you can get it for Chrome. You probably can, but I have it on my Firefox browser, because my Firefox browser is the one that I use all the time for doing this type of stuff. Every time I shut it down, it actually clears all the cache and everything like that out of it and clears all the cookies. So every time I open it up, it's a brand new and it's a fresh browser. So the first thing you need to do is obviously have Firefox or Chrome, and you'll need to install this extension, which is called Change Geolocation. To do that, you simply go into your settings, you go to extensions down here, and then you can just do a search for, I mean, I've already got it installed, as you can see, with a few others. If you do change, hopefully it'll find it in the geolocation. So it's this one here. It's the one that used to be called Location Guard. Now, by looks at, there's a few others, but I haven't used these. I've just used this Location Guard one. I've been using it for years, and it works, and I'm quite happy with it, which is basically why I tell everybody about it. So once you've got that, obviously, and you add it there, you'll have it in your browser. Now, one thing you need to do, or what I always do anyway, is I'll go into the settings of it, because obviously it needs to be switched on. Go into the settings, and you will change in here your IP address. Now, I think that's one there is Clearwater, so I'll just leave it for now. But all it is, I mean, what you can do is, I'll do it. You go to flatlong.net, press return, and let's say I want to go somewhere different to Clearwater, and I want to go somewhere like Tulsa. Oops. Okay, so you just put Tulsa in, you go find. Now, sometimes there might be a couple of names, but that looks like Tulsa in America. It is. It says Oklahoma, so you've got Tulsa. So that's the latitude and longitude. So just copy that and go back to options and paste it. Come back to here, copy it, and go back to options and paste it. Okay, so we've got that in. So then all you need to do, there's no save button, anything like that. Once you've got them in, I don't touch anything else like the timestamp and the accuracy. I just leave them as they are, and then you just click that off. Now, I also have it set so that it will actually, if you click on it, you come in, that's it switched on, and there is a button where it says allow to run in private windows. I have it on there so that basically I can use it inside incognito browser. Okay, so now if I open up an incognito browser, a new private window, go to google.com. I'm still getting all the UK up. I'm still saying I'm in England, but if I do like sort of control, I was in Tulsa, one of TULSA, test control Tulsa, hit return. And when I scroll to the bottom, as you'll see, I'm in, it's picking my IP address up as Greater Manchester for some reason, not Wakefield, but there you go. But all I do is I hit update location. Pops a little pop-up here, which says allow the Google to access your locations. Obviously, you've got to say allow. Refreshes the screen, and you come down, and you will see I'm now sat in Tulsa, which means that when I do a search, I'm getting all the stuff for Tulsa. Because if I just do pest control, I'm getting Tulsa results, because that's where it thinks I am. And obviously, if I put pest control, as you can see there, it comes up with near me Broken Arrow, near me Tulsa, Tulsa prices, because it thinks I'm actually sat in Tulsa. Whereas if I was on the UK one, that would have been Manchester, Liverpool, that sort of thing that would have been coming up. And that's it, basically. That's all you need to do. So it's a simple case of finding a location guard, and I'll drop this link into below the video. So find location guard, install it onto your browser. Like I said, I'm not sure if there's a Chrome version because I've never looked. Install on your browser, turn it on, make sure it is on switch to allow to run in private windows. Then once you've actually decided where you want to go, there's the preferences there, go in and change the latitude, longitude to wherever you want to be. It could be Tulsa, it could be anywhere. And that's it. And then just do your searching. Just remember that you've got to do it every time you come into the browser. You'll have to switch it over. Did I close our private browser? No, it's there. So you just have to like sort of switch it over. But I don't always change to, like, say now if I want to look for pest control Clearwater, I could still leave it on Tulsa, because it still gets a better search results for me because I'm in America. I'll see what is in different places. I always thought it was only in Florida. So basically, I can search from there because I'm in America. So I still get like the American results instead of getting UK results. But if you wanted, you could change it to Clearwater just by simply changing them fields. Okay, hope that was useful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.